This is the elevator at Ramada Hotel, Warsaw, Kentucky. It's a Kone. Closed door. Start count view. There's the alarm, there's emergency, there's fixtures. That's the emergency phone.
It's pretty dark in here.
Oh, that's okay. I can use my flashlight.
No, that's okay.
Okay. Ooh, sick buzz.
That is a sick buzz. It sounds like a fire alarm.
Oh, false alarm.
Fire alarm.
Loud fire alarm. One. Door closed when spun. I like that.
I think I need a coffee.
You said it sounds like a false fire alarm.
Doesn't it kind of sound like the fire alarm at school?
Yeah.
At high school?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's a false fire alarm. Okay, that sounds loud to me.
Yeah.
Okay,
It kind of gives me a headache.
yeah. That's a different weird of Kone elevator.
Yeah.
There she goes. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.